Stop wasting your money on overpriced tablets. The Redmi K Pad might just be the smartest tech decision you make this year. You want power, display, and a design that doesn't scream compromise? This is that tablet. Before we go deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our deep dive breakdowns on the hottest new tech dropping in 2025. Now, let's unpack why the Redmi K Pad is already making noise before it's even launched. First, that display. 8.8 inches of pure immersion, tuned to 165 Hz with Dolby Vision and HDR support. And yes, it's an IPS LCD panel, but don't sleep on it. It supports a ridiculous 68 billion colors and delivers crisp resolution at 1600 by 2560 pixels. That's over 340 pixels per inch, making it sharper than most laptops, let alone tablets. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, sketching with a stylus, or dominating mobile gaming sessions, this display can handle it all. And speaking of styluses, yes, it supports one. You'll finally be able to draw, annotate, or scroll with precision on a screen that actually feels built for creatives. But display isn't everything. Power matters, and the Redmi K Pad brings it hard. Under the hood, you've got MediaTek's new Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, built on a 3nm architecture. Translation: desktop-grade power in a tablet that's just 6.4mm thick. That's thinner than your average phone. And yet, you get an octa-core setup featuring the ultra-high-performance Cortex-X9 to 5-core clocked at 3.63 GHz, 3 Cortex-X for S, and for Cortex-A720s for power efficiency. It's paired with immortalized G9 to 5 graphics, console-grade GPU. Tech in a tablet, and let's talk memory. You can choose up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage. No SD card slot, true, but with storage that fast and that massive, you probably won't miss it. Now, let's flip this slate and talk cameras. On the back, a 13MP sensor capable of 4K video. On the front, an 8MP shooter with HDR and full HD video. Are you going to shoot a cinematic film with this? No, but will your Zoom calls, selfies, or quick product shots look solid? Absolutely. What really makes the K Pad compelling though is its versatility. It's not a phone, there's no SIM slot, and it's Wi-Fi only, but it still comes loaded with modern wireless tech, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, HDC5 for high-res wireless audio, and USB Type-C 3.2 for blazing fast data transfers and charging. It even supports PD 3.0 and QC 3+, so yes, fast charging is baked in. Speaking of power, the battery. A massive 7,500 mAh cell with 67 West wired charging. That's enough juice to binge your entire favorite series and still have charge left for a full workday. And with bypass charging support, you can play games or stream without frying your battery health over time. And let's not ignore the sound. Stereo speakers tuned for immersive audio with high-res and high-res wireless certifications, no confirmed. 3.5mm jack yet, but in a world moving to lossless wireless, Xiaomi is clearly leaning into the future. Design-wise, it's sleek, futuristic, and offered in black, green, and purple. At 326 grams and just 6.4mm thin, it feels feather-light but still premium in the hand. Software? You're getting Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS to layered on top. Expect fluid multitasking, enhanced stylus support, and optimization for productivity right out of the box. This isn't your average budget tab. The Redmi K Pad is a spec monster. In disguise, it doesn't try to replace your laptop, but it absolutely threatens every mid-range tablet in its path. Still unsure? Consider this. Xiaomi has quietly packed more flagship features into this pad than most $1,000 tablets. Yet this will likely launch at a fraction of that price. So the question isn't should I get one, it's how soon can I, and if you're still watching, you already know what to do. Subscribe for more brutally honest reviews and deep dives like this. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is the K Pad the best Android tablet deal of 2025? We'll be covering its official launch the moment it drops. Don't miss it.